Hello everyone, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. I am here to show off my last new release in my shop, and then I am closing at the end of the day on June 30th, 2025. So here we are with 3 new collections as well as the freebie that is going to go out with all orders from this point onwards in June. So this is on premium white matte paper, and it's got 4 deco stickers, some ink swatches, circles, and a script and icon. So that goes with every order. Then the first collection is the Earthy Eucalyptus, and when I painted these, I used some new inks from Wearing Gold. So I used the Star Child, the Autumn Night After 1,000 Years, and I used No Longer Human. I did have to adjust the saturation and the brightness of the inks digitally, or I guess post editing, but I love how this turned out. So each collection comes with 4 sheets if you buy it as a set, or you can purchase them a la carte individually, and they come as either clear matte or premium white matte. So this is the deco sheet. I love the way that the colors look on that. Then you've got the matching circles, can't even pick it up, my dots and swatches. And then lastly, probably my favorite thing out of all of the collections other than the deco is the ink splatters. With this, I really try to get the inks to mix without mixing too much and it turning into a brown. So I'm really happy with the different shapes as well as the ability to still see every single ink color that's in here. So that is the Earthy Eucalyptus collection. The next collection is Queen Anne's Lace, and I really wanted to challenge myself with this because Queen Anne's Lace is a white flower. So how do you paint a white flower? You use gray to mimic all of those shadows, and I really like how that turned out. So that is the deco sheet. You've got the matching circles, the dots and swatches, and then lastly, the ink splatters. And what I love about the ink splatters is that it looks like there's pooling of a little bit of shimmer there because I did use shimmer ink for this painting, and so you can kind of see that here in those ink splatters. So I love that. And that is excuse me, Queen Anne's Lace. And last but not least, we have the camping collection. These were painted using the Amadio stationery ink. So I used oh my gosh, I cannot remember. Toasty Joggers, Earn Kicks, and then what is the, Blue Suntan. So I used those inks to paint this collection, and I love how this turned out. I love the little camper van, the sleeping bag, and the tent. I find it funny that I painted this because I myself have not been camping in years, but I would be fine in like a camper van. And then we have the matching dots and swatches. And then we have the circles. And then lastly, the ink splatters. I love these ink splatters. I think they're so fun. And when you see some of the way that the colors have blended, there's a little bit of green that happened there. And it's really, really cool just the way the ink splatters mix together. So that is the camping collection. So those are the final 3 collections that I will be releasing in my sticker shop, and let's just put that here. And I'm both excited as well as, a little sad for the shop to be closing. It's the end of, a chapter. It's the end of, I guess, an era, but I feel like it's definitely the right decision for me. And I'm looking forward to getting some time back to myself to do other things like read or to be able to, I'm already thinking about other hobbies to pursue, but I'm thankful for what the sticker shop has brought to my life these past almost 4 years, and I'm grateful for every single one of you who has purchased from my shop, who has supported me. I'm just, wow. So these stickers are coming out this Sunday, June 15th at 9 a.m. Mountain Time. And no discount code will be needed because everything in the shop, minus the sale, oops, and overstock, will be 15% off, no code needed. What I'm also going to do is for the first 10 orders, I'm going to include a free overstock bag and then possibly a random vinyl as well. So I'm basically trying to get rid of what's still left in my shop. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you all so much for watching. If you have any questions about this, please let me know. But really what I want to say is that I'm just so grateful that I was able to do this and have my shop for as long as I've had it. And I've been able to really grow in terms of what art I can produce. And I hope to keep doing that, but on my own terms and in my own time. And don't worry, I'll still show it off on Instagram occasionally, but it'll be for me. I'll be producing the art for me. Okay, again, thank you all so much for watching and have yourselves a great day.